This 2023 NuCamp TAB 320 S BOONDOCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used NuCamp is 15 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 2, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, refrigerator, water heater, and 19 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 NuCamp TAB 320 S BOONDOCK is 1,993 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.